was a super simple shop pad. We made things are super simple
for busy families like us.
The things you need are
2 packs of cake mix, 9 by 12-inch pan, 6 eggs, white frosting, gray frosting, green frosting, gray fondant, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of oil, impression mats, and a fondant cutter.
So let's start.
Right now. Oh, it has shells, but you can always take it out. It's a brown one. Ooh, I finally got it out.
Now put all of your ingredients together.
And then mix it all together. Like this. I'm just mixed up. It's all mixed. Then mix it all like a potion. And then you put the mixture in the pan. Then ask your mum or dad to put it in the oven for 14 minutes.
Now the cake is cooled. Level it and cut it into 8 rectangles. 4 of them are slightly longer than the other 4. Now frost your cakes and stack 2 of them together. Cut the top cake to form a triangle. 1 stack of cakes is taller than the other 2. Then frost your cakes and put them in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. We put a dowel in the middle of the tallest cake so it won't fall down. Then use a paper to determine the size of your cake. This will be your template when you cut your fondant. Then roll out your fondant and cut it into the size of your paper. This will be the walls of the shops. Press it on an impression mat to add details. Then take out your cake from the refrigerator and add the fondant to the sides of your cake. You can trim the fondant with a knife if needed. Cut a triangle for the upper half of the cake. Using the same method, use paper to cut a template for the roof. Cut out your fondant and attach your roofs together. We used a darker gray color for the roof. Cut strips of dark gray fondant to add details to the shops. Then use your fondant cutter to cut out windows. We used brown fondant for the windows. Brush the fondant with water to make it stick. Then we added doors using dark gray fondant. Here I made Harry Potter using fondant. Use your imagination to do this. My sister made the hat using brown fondant. Here are some of our creations, and we also let the roof dry overnight. Then we made trees out of green fondant. Use a grass tip to add pine leaves to the tree. Then make round tiny balls to make cobblestones. You can also add gray frosting to make it stick. You can use different colors for this. We made a chimney cutout using tin foil. The template looks like a hat. but when you fold it together, it looks like a chimney. Make sure to use the impression mat on this one. This template might take a few trial and error to get the right shape. Then add creases so you can fold it easily. We added an extra strip of gray fondant at the tip. Then add gray frosting to attach it to the roof. Then we wrote the names of the shops. Then we added our creations to make it look pretty. Then we added white frosting on the roof to make it look like snow. We only frosted the edges. And then we added some white frosting on the trees.
The cake is done!
Ta-da! Our friend Sophia requested this Harry Potter cake.
If there's a cake that you want us to make, let us know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching Super Simple Pay. If you like this video,
Please comment.
and like and subscribe. Bye. What do you think, Harry Potter? Do you like the cake? I like some butterbeer. Do you know how to say please, Harry? Right, Harry? We make Welcome to Super Simple Pay. We make things that are super simple
For busy families